Breaking dawn bathes Yasur Volcano in Vanuatu in an ethereal glow. Fiery pits at the volcano's heart glisten as the first rays of sun touch them. A smoky plume gracefully ascends towards the sky, offering a high-definition spectacle. The view from above, hovering over this ancient and churning geological wonder, presents a unique panorama. The rocket and FPV movement of the drone reveal the ever-changing and dynamic nature of this landscape, transforming it into a sunlit tableau of sublime starkness. An aerial view of this spectacle showcases the transcendent beauty of our natural world, tinged with the raw and fiery energy of an active volcano.